What is bitwise operator? Bitwise operators are used in computer programming to manipulate individual bits of binary numbers. These operators work at the binary level, performing operations on the corresponding bits of two numbers. The common bitwise operators included AND. The operator performs a bitwise and operations. It returns a 1 in each bit position if both bits are 1. Otherwise, it returns 0. Or, the OR operator performs a bitwise OR operation. It returns 1 in each bit position if at least one of the bits is 1. Otherwise, it returns 0. XOR or exclusive OR operator performs bitwise XOR operation. It returns a 1 in each bit position of the bits are different. One is 0 and the others is 1. Otherwise, it returns 0. NOT. The NOT operator is a unary operator that performs a bitwise NOT operation. It each 1 to 0 and each 0 to 1 shift operators. These operators shift the bits of a numbers to the left or right, shift left filling with zeros, and shift right preserving the sign bit for sign integer. Bitwise operators are commonly used for tasks like settings or clearing specific bits in a binary numbers, checking if a particular bit is set, or optimizing certain operations at the binary level. They are especially useful in low-level programming and dealing with hardware or binary data. What is logical operator? Logical operators are used in computer programming to perform logical operations on one or more Boolean values. These operators allow you to combine and manipulate the result of comparison and condition. The common logical operators included AND. The logical AND operator returns true if both its operands are true. If at least one of the operands is false, the result is false. Or, the logical OR operator returns true if at least one of its operands is true. If both operands are false, the result is false. NOT. The logical NOT operator is a unary operator that negates a Boolean value. If the operand is true, NOT returns false, and if the operand is false, NOT returns true. Logical operators are frequently used to make decisions and control the flow of a program based on conditions. They are essentially in constructing conditional statements and loops. For example, you might use logical operators to check if a number is within a specific range, to combine multiple conditions in an if statement, or to determine when to exit a loop. What is the differences of bitwise operator and logical operator? Bitwise operator performs operations on individual bits of binary numbers. They work with binary representation of data. Common bitwise operators included AND, OR, XOR, and NOT, which manipulates bits at a low-level. Bitwise operators are used for tasks like a bit manipulation, setting clearing specific bits, and optimizing certain operations at a binary level. They are typically used for low-level operations, such as working with hardware or binary data. So, logical operator. Logical operators work with Boolean values. They deal with the truth or falsehood of conditions and comparisons. Common logical operators included AND, OR, and NOT, which operates a Boolean values. Logical operators are used for decision making, controlling program flows, and constructing conditional statements and loops. They are typically used for high-level programming tasks, such as implementing program logic and control structures. Bitwise operators work at the binary level, manipulating individual bits of data, while logical operators work with Boolean values, determining the truth or falsity of conditions. Their application and use cases are quite different, and they are used in distinct contexts within computer programming.